Hi, Gochi.
Hi, Mel.
How are you?
Great, great.
Today is very good weather.
Yeah, good weather.
Where we are now?
We are in Miyako Island,
Yeah.
Okinawa,
Wow.
and we're in a tropical garden called Maipari.
Yeah.
And we have a special project
Yeah.
to process the water
Oh.
with microorganisms.
Wow, it's very difficult to me.
Yes, so
Yeah.
this is a new water treatment system,
Yeah.
and we believe
Yeah.
this project or technology
Wow.
can solve the water issue around the world.
Wow.
So I'd like to show you the project.
This is existing sewage water treatment system.
Yeah, so this is a sewage water treatment system of this garden, and around daily 2 cubic meter a day, people's manure and ditch water is coming in here.
Wow.
And water is processed this way. This is a water treatment plant, and basically from the toilet, water coming into this container,
Yeah.
and the process the water,
Yeah.
and here is the
Clean
last tank,
Yeah.
and
Nowadays is just used for the toilet.
flushing the toilet.
Okay. So let me see the toilet, please.
Yes, so let's go to the toilet. Oh yeah, here is the visitor center. This is a water tank,
Yeah.
and coming all the way from that container, 100 meters away.
Yeah.
And this is clean water,
Yeah.
ready to use to flushing the toilet of this center.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah,
Can I see the toilet one
Yes.
you are using for flushing?
yes, let's go.
Here we go. Okay. Wow.
Okay, so this is inside the visitor center. Here we are toilet.
Yeah.
And you can see the water.
Yeah.
This water
Yeah.
is coming all the way from the container
Yeah.
to flush the toilet.
Wow.
Yes.
Can I flush it?
Yes, please.
Wow, water is flowing.
Yeah. So
Looks
this
like
is,
a very pure water.
So
Yeah.
this is already treated with microorganisms,
Yeah.
multiple fermentation technology.
Wow,
Yes.
beautiful.
Yeah.
This is.
So this is in Japanese, but we are explaining that this toilet flushing water
Yeah.
using the recycled water.
Yeah.
Yes.
おはようござい
おはようござい
ま
ます。
す。いただいていいですか。
はい
This is recycled water.
Yes, this is recycling water, very good for the farming as well.
Okay, please use for your farm.
Thank you.
Manju. Papaya. Hi, Mr. Tucker.
Hi.
Please let me see your coffee
Yeah, sure.
beans. Wow.
Let's try.
Oh. Can I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Wow, amai.
Sweet?
Sweet. Very sweet. Ah. Tasty.
本当に甘い。
Very good.
Sweet. Thank you.
Thank you.
Not using chemicals,
Yeah.
hopefully,
Yeah.
so he can grow organic coffee, fruits, and hopefully we can expand this technology
Yes.
to the island, whole island.
Wow.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Take-chan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.